Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. It's around 10:30. My voice is still not here completely, so I'm so sorry about that. Also, the reason why I woke up like so late is because I slept at like 3-4 a.m. Like I went to bed at like 1:30 and then I couldn't fall asleep for some weird reason. So yeah. I'm pretty sure I can see my dark circles. They're pretty visible. Also, I really need to wash my hair, so I'm gonna do that today. And yeah, I know it's been like really long since I posted, but I'm like really sorry. I just don't have any content ideas. I don't know what happened, why I've been like so demotivated lately, but I'm gonna try to get back into the groove of things and like be consistent again, because like I've done it before, I can do it again, of course. So I'm gonna try that. And yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna make breakfast in like 10-15 minutes. And yeah, I'll see you when I make my breakfast or my mom makes my breakfast. Who knows? We'll see. I'll see you. Hi, so we're in the kitchen and I'm making some breakfast right now. As usual, I'm making some eggs for breakfast. That's my favorite thing to eat. I'm gonna make an omelette and then I'm gonna toast some brown bread. That's gonna be our breakfast. Hi, I made my breakfast. Here it is. And I got a little package, so I thought maybe a little unboxing. God, why do I look like this right now? I'm so sorry. So, I already opened it. It's just a little... It's my pre-workout that I use. It's from Shreds. I get it from like Amazon, if anybody is interested in that. And I'm gonna watch something while I eat my breakfast. I also need to put my other battery on charging because this one is about to die in a little bit. So I have to do that as well. I have my laptop right over here. Last night, I watched a movie called Purple Hearts and it was...
Here are two pictures.
It was so good. It was so good. I loved it. So I watched Purple Hearts last night. It's on Netflix. And then I watched Look Both Ways, which has Lily Reinhardt in it, and it was so good too. Like, I've been loving these like new movies lately. So yeah, I'm gonna watch something, either a movie or some YouTube video. I'm gonna put on my headphones and then forget that rest of the world also exists. By the way, if anybody like wants to know, these are the headphones I have. I got these ones from Myntra. These are from Boat. I really wanted the AirPods Max, but they are so expensive that there's no way I can get them right now. Maybe in future, sometime in future. But right now we work with these. These are so cute, by the way. So like, it's okay. I'll settle. I hate my hair. What is this? Okay, so I'm gonna watch something, eat my breakfast, and then I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. So sorry for the background noise. I switched the AC on, but I wanted to show you guys my eye drops that I use because I have like I have really dry eyes. So I use this, and then I'm gonna put on some blue light glasses. These are the clear ones I got from Amazon. I can't find my other ones, the expensive ones that are really good. I just can't find them, so I'm gonna use these ones from Amazon. And then I'm gonna also put on my eye drops. So yeah, little update. tired. My hair is completely wet. And I'm gonna do my skincare right now. Yeah, if you guys wanna know my skincare routine, you can go to the video. I'll link it down below for you or in the iCard, wherever it is. So yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare routine, whole thing right now. And I'm gonna journal. Here is my journal. And I'm gonna write down some stuff in it. I'm gonna drink my water. I'm in my drawing room right now because everybody was in the room, so I couldn't really like film in there. So I came here and I'm gonna sit here for a little bit alone, and I thought maybe I'll just discuss how I journal. I'm not gonna show you anything because this is like pretty personal, but I just write down everything that's like going on in my mind, and I usually do it because of my anxiety. Like I get like really bad anxiety, so I just write down all of my thoughts and try to get it out as much as I possibly can. And yeah, it kind of helps with my mood and like anxiety a little bit, so I really like it. And I'll see you in a little bit. Package again from Amazon, so I thought I'd open it with you. Yeah, I got some coffee. I mean, what else did you expect? I was running like really low on coffee, so I got some more. And now we're gonna make some coffee, and I'm gonna show you guys my recipe again. Even though I've shown it to you guys like a million times already, you guys just keep asking for it, so we're gonna do it again. And I'm gonna do it quick. So yeah, let's make some coffee. By the way, I use Rage coffee in the flavor Butterscotch Delight. This is what it looks like. Yeah, I'll just take a tablespoon. A little bit of water. Now I'm gonna froth it. Now I'm just gonna fill it up with ice. Okay, I filled it up with ice, and now I'm gonna go with more water, and then I'm gonna go with a little bit of milk, like a splash or something. Not splash, it's more than a splash, but like, you know. And then I'm gonna use my favorite vanilla syrup. And then I'm gonna mix it. Yep, amazing. Okay, I'm done with the coffee. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. And it's like super simple. I did change my coffee recipe in between, but that one was like too many calories and it just didn't work for me, so I switched back to this, and this is my current recipe. Hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm just gonna drink it and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey, so it's really late and I got ready for the gym, and I'm gonna show you my outfit that I'm wearing. And yeah, it's gonna be like a little what I'm wearing to the gym, I guess. And the lighting's really bad, so I'm so sorry about it. Forgive me. Yeah, I'm wearing this purple set from Puma. I'm wearing some shoes from Nike, and I have my hair up in a pony. I know the lighting's like really bad, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts. Hi guys, I'm back from the gym. I'm really tired. I showered and then changed. Made a little protein shake. That is my brother, if you can see him. I don't know. Would you like to say hi? Say hi, nice.
Hi.
So yeah, I'm very short in front of him. He's like 6'2". I hate you. So yeah, I made a little protein shake and now I'm gonna go inside and watch something, rest, and I don't know, do something. I'll update you. But yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. And yeah, I did not vlog at the gym. I did not have the courage to film there. There are just too many people. So I'm so sorry, but I could not get a clip there. So yeah. I know lighting's too bad, as always. Yep. Hi, it's the next day, so good morning. I made a coffee and I got a little package. I don't want you all to see my address. How do you say it? Address. Oh my god, I'm struggling to say address. Whatever. It's the infamous zipper. I broke mine accidentally. Wow, this one just looks so clean. I got it from Tata Click. This is, if you don't know, this is like my favorite thing ever, and I broke mine, which it is right there, and it's in a really bad condition, so I had to get like a new one. But this one just looks so clean. We have a new one. I love this. Is like my favorite thing ever. I'm gonna drink my coffee. Also, I'm gonna go make some reels. Also, it's almost 1. How is it almost 1? Something's wrong. It can't be 1. Yeah, it is 12:42. Okay, I'm gonna go make some reels. And yeah, that's the little update. Also, one more thing. I don't have a better place to film. I know, like, all of the clips are literally here. So sorry about that, but like my house doesn't get lighting. I watched this movie last night called Run. It was so good. Like every single movie I watch, I'm like, it was so good, but it was. It was about a girl who was like paralyzed and her mom made her paralyzed, and it was like a whole thing. I really liked it, like really did. This is turning into a really chatty vlog. I hope y'all are okay with that. But yeah, I'm gonna make some reels. So let's go. Okay, hi. Something is wrong with my camera settings. I don't know why I look so pinkish right now, but I got ready to film some reels. I actually already filmed, so I'm like done. And I just thought maybe I'll just show you my outfit. Because like, why not? Ah, that's the whole thing. So I'll show you. And now I'm about to take it off. Like, I'm gonna go remove my makeup and yeah, I'll see you later. I don't know what is wrong with the lighting. I have like no idea what's going on with my camera. Like, why is it so kind of like pinkish? Okay, I'll see you later.